Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Creamy and today I'm going to unbox a package from Project eBeauty. They sent me this gift and I got this just yesterday and I'm really excited to see what's inside, and it's actually really big, and to be honest with you, I have no idea what's inside. So it's a really good thing that I finally got this package. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. We are gonna unbox this, but I just need some help. Here. So big, so I need some help right now. I think this is the mask.
Mask?
They have other beauty gadgets, but I'm not really sure which one. Wow, it's really big. Okay, so here's the box, and it doesn't say anything on the box, so I guess I just have to open this with my nails. So this is when your nails come in handy when you need to unbox something. Here. No, I think it's the other side. Nah, like this. Like this. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Ready. Open. What's inside? Oh yeah, it's the mask. Show it. Yeah, there. You can see. No, here. Yeah, there is the mask. It's the mask, yeah, the Lumamask Photon Light Therapy mask. So it came with this really nice bubble wrap, as you can see. I can't wait to reuse that for packaging. And then we also have some more bubble wrap. Wow, that's really nice packaging, because it came from another country, so they really need to like secure the. So it also says here Project eBeauty. This is the brand, Project eBeauty, and they have a website, www.projectebeauty.com. I really like that name, super simple and catchy. It also says the exact same thing on the box. So it's a really customized box for them. So I would like to thank Project eBeauty for gifting this Lumamask Photon Light Therapy mask. It looks really cool and I really can't wait to test out this product. If you guys are interested in this, feel free to check out the description box because I'm going to be putting everything down below. I'm going to check the price now, how much this costs. I love their website. It looks really sleek. It's like a really well thought of website. It's not one of those like messy looking website. Their website is also very professional. The original price is $109.90, but it's now on sale for $79.90. So that is a good deal. They have another mask here which is $249. And it's now on sale for $199.90. So I'm not really sure the difference between their more expensive one and the one they sent me, but for me, I'm not sure. The other one is called the Photon Skin Rejuvenation Face and Neck Mask. Yeah, oh, this is a face and neck mask, but yeah, I'm really fine with just the light therapy mask without the neck therapy. But they also have here another one which is called the Skin Rejuvenation Photon Mask. So they have like three types of mask, and they also have something that is like more portable. Let me show you guys. So these are two of their masks. First two, and then there's one more right here, and then the rest of their products look like this. And then yeah, what do you call this? I don't know. So they have that. They also have the blackhead removal vacuum. Oh, they have so much. They have micro needle there. They have this massage, which I really want to try this one right here, this face massage thingy. Like, so I think it's supposed to like make her like for V shape. I've been wanting to try this. This is the Lumamask and I really can't wait to test this out. It says here safe plus effective. So it also says here it has 7 colors photon LED. I think we're just gonna have to really test this out to see what effect this is going to give my skin. I also really like the pink packaging. It's like a pink metallic. So you're not just paying for a good quality mask, but you're also paying for nice packaging, because really packaging is really important when it comes to branding, because It really shows how much you care for your brand. 2 years ago, I wanted to try something like this, but it was something that looks super cheap, and this one looks really high quality, so it's really not comparable to the one that I wanted before. But this one just looks really high quality, and I really can't wait to see. In the front, you will see the actual mask design, and then here you will see all the features. Ultra light design, complete wireless, no UV light, which is great. It's also amazing that it's wireless, because you don't want to be using a beauty gadget while you're lying down or sitting down and there's really annoying cable touching you. You don't want that. So it also has built-in goggles, which is great because you're gonna want to like cover your eyes so your eyes won't get irritated or bothered. And it also says here single button control. Alright, so I finally found a way to remove the box. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's not cheaply made, even the box itself.
They explain also you're safe.
Yeah. They explain here all the wavelength. I'm not really sure how to explain that, but here's the wavelength details, and there. It's really nice that the box is really good quality, because this is where you're going to store your Lumamask. So when you open the box, this is what you're gonna see. The mask, and then oh, what's that? They also gave this Project E Beauty Aqua Collagen Gel, and it says here unlock your skin's youth potential. The ultimate anti-aging formula to exfoliate, tone, hydrate, repair, and regenerate. And I think this is something that you would use while using the Lumamask. So I'm guessing you're supposed to use this along with the Lumamask. And let's see, it's just a really cute tiny size. It is 10 ml. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay. Ooh, that is really clear. It doesn't really look like a serum to me because it's more thick than a serum, definitely. It looks like a gel. So this product also comes with a micro USB, because the amazing thing about this product is that it is wireless. You don't really have to worry about cable getting tangled there. After that, there's also this foam. I'm really showing you guys everything so you guys get an idea of exactly how you're gonna get this product. So for me, whenever I review a product, I always really talk about the packaging, because I know that a lot of you guys wonder. Yeah, so this is like a warranty card, and then this is the user manual. It's not really heavy, like I don't feel too much weight, so I don't feel like it's going to be such a problem. So here's the mask. It's very plain and white. It has this gold, so they call this the built-in goggles, and which is nice because all of these are lights. Hopefully you guys can see, but yeah, all of these are lights that turns into different colors. And what's great about this is that you can use this really anywhere. Light therapy has been super famous lately, and even dermatologists use this for their scalp, for their skin. There's a lot of benefits, I heard. So I'm just gonna try to feel this product for the first time. Okay. So it feels, so now that I'm wearing it, it actually feels a little bit heavy on the nose. So what you can do is use this while you're lying down. I recommend using this while you're lying down, but I like the goggles. It's like I can really feel that it's protecting your eyes from the light, because even now that I'm wearing it, like I can still see around, but it's enough to like protect your eyes from the lights. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. It's not really totally black, so you can still kind of see around. Like, there you go, you can see my hand through that. There's this power button right here. Let's try to turn this on. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Ooh, so that is the red light. I'm gonna show you guys the red light. And then this is the, let's turn off the light so you guys can see, because yeah, so this is the red light, and then the blue. Wow. And then this is the green, and the purple, yellow. What's this? This is I think it looks like ice blue. So cool. I've never tried anything like this, and this is like a icy purple color. I really have high hopes for this, and I really can't wait to try this. It looks really cool, and I have never tried anything like this, so if there's anything that I want to try right now, this is it. Like I said, I've been wanting to try a product like this. So if you hold it for like 2 seconds, it's going to turn off. So that is how you turn on and turn off the switch. So what are the benefits that you can get from this? I'm gonna read it to you guys. Right here in the packaging it says everything. Cosmetology studies have shown that LED light therapy is suitable for treating several types of skin issues. Studies have suggested that this treatment can reduce facial wrinkles, rough skin, the shallowness of the skin, and hyper-mottled pigmentation. The LED light therapy increases both the proliferation and the initial production of collagen. Wow. Few studies have also suggested this therapy can eradicate the bacteria that cause dark spots and pimples. And that is exactly what I need. It can also help get rid of breakouts and reduce scars. And that is so nice. So I'm going to put this right here. So this is the red light right here. So it says here the red light is one of the most powerful colors to increase blood circulation. It stimulates skin cells to excrete collagen to achieve firm and smooth texture. And the blue light, which is this one, this is excellent effect of curing acne, kill bacteria, and improve sensitive skin. And then the green light, this one, it's anti-aging, smooths wrinkles and fine lines, and cures wounds. And then there's the purple light, which is this one, and it's relaxing and improves lymph metabolism. Yeah, this is actually really nice, relaxing color. And even now I feel like I just want to lie down, put this on, some relaxing music on, maybe you know, my organic rub along with that to relax. Gentle acne treatment, inflammation, skin mitigation. I'm not sure what that means. Light. That was the cyan. Gentle acne treatment. Oh, I'm not really sure now. What color is this? I guess this is the white light. It's relaxing. Activate your skin's natural renewal system to reverse the effects of aging at the same time restoring a younger and healthier skin. That sounds so good. Like everything that I heard from this box just sounds so good, which is why I'm even more excited to test this product out. So yeah, I am going to update you guys this week how this product works for me, but I think I'm gonna be testing this out for 1 to 2 weeks to really see results. But right now, honestly, I really have high hopes for this. But it looks really cool. This is not something gimmicky because I heard from a lot of dermatologists about light therapy treatments. A lot of dermatologists are performing this. Like maybe they have bigger machines, but they made this to be portable for at-home treatment, something that you can just carry around with you even when you travel. And yeah, it's a very handy Photon light therapy. It's not heavy, it's lightweight. I really think it's so cool. So yeah, we're just gonna have to try this out. But for now, I'm gonna have to go. I will see you guys again next week for the updates. I'm gonna see you guys again for the actual review and demo, but I'm gonna be putting the links down below where you can get this. They have other products for the skin as well, other beauty devices that you can check out. I'm sure you're gonna find something for you. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!